Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display. Then scroll down again. Tap on Font Size and Style. Go into Font Style section and tap on the best one for you to apply it. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my text has changed. In order to go back to the default one, access Font Style again and set up default by clicking on it. If you wish to try something new, you can also click on Download Fonts at the bottom of the list. Then agree to all of those needed terms and hit Agree at the bottom. Now just download the best font style for you and go back to the same settings. Lastly, click on it over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!